Dang.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope you take time to hit that subscribe button. For today's look, I created this halo eye using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So if you want to see what I did to create this look, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm wave check. No comment. Okay, I am going to spray my face using the Badescu facial spray. Now you got the hiccups. Sir, Louis, get out. Get out. Go lay down out there. Next, I'm going to prime my skin using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. To fill in my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. This is it right here. To set my eyelids, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in Coconut. For the look today, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And to start off, for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with the shade Blazing. And that's going to go into my crease and just kind of like blend it out. So the next shade that I'll be going in with will be Amber, and that is a darker shade just to kind of like deepen my crease a little bit more. To cut my crease, I'm going to use the same concealer that I used to prime my eyelids, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. To add some color on the lid, I'm going to go in with Amethyst. So the next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be Twilight. And that's going to go along the edge of that purple. So the last shade I'm going to go in with is going to be Angelic. And that's going to go in the middle. That's better. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, so for lashes, I will be using the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M358. To prime my skin, I'm going to use the Farsali Skintune Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. Before I go with my foundation, I like to go in with my setting powder, and I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder in medium deep. Now, to color correct, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, as well as the Makeup Forever foundation stick. And the foundation stick is in 177. So for foundation, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Foundation, full coverage foundation, and this is in the shade F13. For contour, I will be using the Makeup Revolution London foundation stick, and this is in F15. I don't never snatch this nose, but that nose is snatched. For concealer, I'll be using the NYX HD Concealer, and this is in Caramel. To set all of that in place, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in medium deep and set all of that in place. To bronze my face and somewhat powder contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the Sculpt shade and the contour shade. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade Amber. Then I'm also going to go in with Blazing to smoke that out a little bit. Now I'm going to go along my waterline with a black eyeliner. Alrighty, then I'm going to coat my lower lashes with some mascara. To brush away the setting powder, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in Coconut. Blush. For blush, I'm going to use the Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. And I'm going to use the shade Fierce. Before I apply my highlighter, I like to spray my face with my setting spray, and I'm going to use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And take my beauty blender and go under the eye to kind of press that in. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collaboration, and this is in LaPeach. Hey, highlighting it up and shit. So to line my lips, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Lip Liner in Obsession. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Milani Amor Matte Lip Cream in Love. So to add a little bit more pink in the middle on my lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Tokyo. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. All of the items that were used will be listed down below in the description box. So please be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. My socials are listed below as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.